Hi there, friends. Today, we're talking about something super cool and exciting, artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Maybe you've heard about AI in movies, games, or on TV. But did you know that studying AI can be a great choice for your future? Let's explore the reasons why AI is awesome and why learning about it can be so much fun. Stick around because by the end, you might just want to become an AI expert yourself. 1. AI is everywhere. AI is all around us, and it's making life better in so many ways. Here are some examples. Virtual assistants. You've probably heard of Siri or Alexa, right? They help you play music, find answers, and even tell jokes. That's AI in action. Games. When you play video games and the computer controls the other players or makes the game smarter, that's AI. Robots. Robots can help build cars, clean houses, or even help doctors. They're powered by AI. If you study AI, you'll get to learn how all these cool things work. You could even make your own AI someday. 2. You can solve big problems. AI helps solve big problems in the world. For example, healthcare. AI helps doctors find diseases faster, so they can help people feel better. Environment. AI can predict the weather and help protect the Earth from disasters. Transportation. AI helps create self-driving cars to make roads safer. By studying AI, you could make a big difference in the world. Imagine helping to save lives or protecting nature with the things you create. 3. It's like learning superpowers. Studying AI is like getting superpowers for your brain. AI teaches you how to think like a computer. You'll learn how to solve problems step by step. How to create smart programs. Imagine building a robot that can talk or an app that can learn new things by itself. How to use data. AI works with lots of information, like photos, videos, and numbers. You'll learn to use this data to make smart decisions. These skills are really cool and can be used in so many different jobs. 4. Great jobs in the future. When you grow up, there will be lots of jobs that need people who know AI. Why? Because businesses, schools, and even sports teams are using AI more and more. Here are some examples of jobs. AI engineer. Build smart machines and programs. Game developer. Create fun and realistic video games. Robotics expert. Make robots that can help people. AI artist. Use AI to create amazing art, music, or stories. If you study AI, you'll have a great chance to work in one of these exciting jobs. 5. AI is fun and creative. Some people think AI is only about computers and math, but it's also super creative. You can use AI to make art. AI can help you paint pictures or design cool patterns. Write stories. AI can help create fun or silly stories. Compose music. You can use AI to make your own songs. When you study AI, you can mix creativity with technology. The possibilities are endless. 6. You can work with robots. Who doesn't love robots? If you study AI, you'll get to work with robots and maybe even build your own. Robots can help clean houses, deliver packages, help in schools, hospitals, and even space. If you dream of building a robot or seeing how they work, AI is the field for you. 7. AI helps you stay ahead. The world is changing fast, and AI is leading the way. By learning about AI, you'll be ready for the future. You'll understand how technology works, and you'll be able to teach others. It's like learning how to ride a bike before everyone else. You'll be ahead of the game. 8. It's for everyone. You don't need to be a genius to study AI. You can start small. Learn how to code. It's like writing instructions for computers. Play with robots or apps that use AI. Watch videos, like this one, to learn more. Anyone can start learning about AI, no matter how young or old you are. 9. You'll be part of something big. AI isn't just a subject, it's a community. People from all over the world are working together to make AI better. If you study AI, you'll meet new friends, share ideas, and be part of something amazing. Who knows? Maybe you'll create something that changes the world. 10. AI is the future. The best part about studying AI is that it's just getting started. The future is full of possibilities, and AI will be a big part of it. Whether it's robots, apps, games, or something completely new, AI will play a huge role. By choosing AI as your field of study, you're not just learning about technology, you're preparing to shape the future. How cool is that? Final thoughts. So, there you have it. AI is fun, creative, and full of opportunities. It helps people, solves problems, and makes the world a better place. If you start learning about AI today, who knows what amazing things you'll create tomorrow? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time.